And how long have you been going for now, Michael, in your business?
So I started it was the February of 2017. So
Okay, so
that
yeah.
would make us coming on 4 years in February.
Yeah, which is a good, because most, well, traditional statistics, most businesses fail after that 5-year mark. And obviously you're flying at 4 years, and it's just one of those things. It's just really great to hear how you're doing so well. And you've got a passion for it as well. You said you had a bit of a passion or interest in this sort of field, and you've been able to make it into a full-time career.
Yeah, look, absolutely. I'm at the stage where I quite often I come home and, so having a chat to the wife, how was the day and whatever might be. And I genuinely love what I do. Everybody has their bad days and everybody has their days where they come home, they're exhausted and whatever. But the versatility in the way I've grown my business at the moment is such a way that I'm not just doing antennas and TV points and data points. Obviously, I'm doing things like security, alarms, cameras, wireless access, internet-based stuff. So it's so different day to day that it just, I love what I do.
Because you have the dual franchise, don't you? So you have the antennas and you have a security one as well.
Yep, absolutely. So again, there's just so much versatility there that, if the antennas are a bit quiet, we're doing cameras, we're doing alarms, doing a bit of access control as well. So we've got next week, a couple of wall mounts first up in the week, and then got a really big camera and alarm job for sort of the second part of the week. So just, it keeps that versatility that keeps your brain ticking over doing different things.